Thanks, Eric, for giving a lot of detailed technical information onto the brick GRC over there. Because my presentation comes down to the similar type of experiment what we did it in India. See, my name is Shekhar, and I'm a graduate civil engineer, having the 22 years of GRC experience, plus around 15 years of my civil engineering experience. So all get together, I do a lot of R&D works for the GRC in India in our factories, like testing, bending testing, impact testing, or wind pressures. So there's a lot of testing we do it. So there was a project came out for the Bengaluru International Airport. It is a very prestigious project, which has a specific requirement for the bricks to be used as an amoeba wall cladding. But after doing a lot of research and all, the client found that the local bricks were going into the deteriorations part. There are a lot of water absorption and edge crackings and all. So they had decided to go and convert these bricks into the GRC bricks. So in that case, it was really a major task to prepare around 350,000 bricks of around 180 by 75, ranging between around 3 to 4 sizes. Because this structure was tampering from the down to there, having the amoeba shapes. And total amoeba walls were around 10 numbers. And those 10 numbers has got the different shapes. So challenge was to make economical mold designs as well as the variation to look like natural. Generally, the people thinks that let us do one mold and do the spray on the top. But in that case, the architect wanted to look like a GRC, look like a bricks, but he wanted into GRC. So that phenomena doesn't work for that case. So he said that we have to make it a different shapes of molds, and we have to cast it at a different batches, so that you will have these slightly color variations into individual bricks, not onto the panels. And those panels has to be interlocked without having any vertical joints. So those joints, it has to be decided that because the tapering going, the bricks are narrowing down once you go top. So arranging those right from bottom to top, it was really big task. So these are the walls which has come into the garden pavilion. They have based into the green zone over there. So they have developed a lot of garden area over there, where they have the walkways over there. There is an amoeba walls, so that the filling of the gardening was happen over there. These are the amoeba shape of wall. And if you see this structure, the RCC was done onto the inside one. The columns were there, and the rest of the structures we have taken from the support of the RCC. So all has been installed onto the structural steel frame. These are the shapes of the amoeba wall. These are tapering, and this shape has got connected with the overhead bridge over there. So looking to this structure, we had done a mold with the brick joints, reverse mold with the brick joints. And a lot of detailed working has been done. And all the drawings were done into the brick, in the beam designs, so that accuracy and the height, it was very precise. These are those amoeba walls with the interconnected bridges are there. So we did the bridge soffit also for that. We'll be coming for that. So these are all the brick facades has been done there. This is the main structure. If you see this one structure, These are the columns, and from columns we had taken the studs from outside, and the fixing has been done from the top to bottom. There was no intermediate fixing over there. And as well as if you see the joints, so the joints have been interlocked. So it should look like a natural facade over there, brick facade. This is how we fixed the bricks after installing the panels. The loose bricks were fixed, keeping the gap over there onto the joints, so that you don't see the vertical lines over there. This is how the finish come out over there. And these are having the different colors of the bricks. Not so much difference, but there is variation into this, so that it look like a natural bricks over there. There is a walkway over there on which it is going over there. These facade elevations are there. I think their gardening work is going on there. This is walkway soffit, we did it over there. These are all the walkways. These has curvatures, roundabouts are there, different. And it is having the conical shape. So it is ranging, these are the fixing detail what we have done. It is totally one piece panel because they don't want a horizontal joints over there. So entire mold was taken. This is somewhat around 2 meters width and the height was around 1.5 meter. So it was, the mold was done, and then the lifting equipment we have prepared it so that the lift can be taken from the down over there. These are the detailed drawings has been prepared considering the curvatures, the sloping joint lines and everything over there. This is spray, this is the panels, how we prepared it over there onto the site. We have done a mini plant there in the Bengaluru because the transporting from Mumbai to Bangalore, it was very critical. So on site, they have given us a shade and factory place over there. So we mobilized the mini plant there. These are the system what we have done it over there for the lifting of the panels. These are the curvatures, and then the different shapes of panels are coming up there. These are all walkways. This garden area, the people who walk into the check-in one, they can go through these walkways and enjoy the natural gardenings over there. This, the top one, it goes directly to the arrival. This goes to the departure over there directly. It's in the international departure. And especially this portion, it was very difficult to maintain it because it was tapering down, and we had to do the mold very precisely to get this panel. Because the client also wanted to be in a very economical way, the one over there. So to keeping it economy, so we have designed in such a way that there will be repetitions of the molds without compromising any aesthetic over there. This is the entire gardening area over there. We did the baggage domes, GFRG dome ceilings are also there. For the arrival, there are around 10 conveyor belts are there. On the top, we did the ceilings in the GFRG over there. These are structural designs, what we had done it for that. In the stad, these are all the suspensions which has been taken from the top, and this are around 40 meters roughly, that was a length is there. This is the first mock-up we did it over there, and they make it as a datum over there. So this kept it as it is. After April, we did this mock-up over there. And this is the suspension system, what we did it from the ceiling one part over there. A lot of heavy structural steel GI sheeting has been done. These are the final ceilings what we had in it. And these are called internal coal lights. So you can't see the lights behind that. So to take out the mold, take out a piece from the mold, it was very challenging one. So we had done the rubbers, kept it for the provision for the coving inside this one, so that rubbers can be taken out after this mold release over there. We also did the wall cladding onto this same arrival that near the conveyor belts. All the walls has been done with the GFRG facade over there. It's a groove facade, along with the matching with the door frames and the granites over there. And these are the few areas what it has been there. I think if anybody has, I think we'll have the question answer there.
Thank you very much, Shekhar.
Yeah, thank you.
Very interesting project.
Yeah.